Now I will show you how to assemble the precision OTP horizontal feed terminal die. Let's start with blade installation. Fit the ejector base. Mount the upper inner blade, upper outer blade and upper pressure blade. Lock all screws tight after fitting. Then assemble the lower blade set. Install the lower inner blade, lower outer blade and cutter base. Insert and fully tighten the fixing screws. Blade assembly is finished. Next step, feed plate installation. Place terminals on the feed base plate first. Crimp the feed cover plate over the terminal. Leave a 0.01 mm clearance gap, so terminals slide back and forth freely. Tighten the screws slightly. Test terminal sliding again to make sure it moves smoothly without wobbling. Lock the screws completely after inspection. Feed plate assembly and adjustment done. Set the feed plate onto the tool rack. Tighten the bottom screws with a hex wrench. Adjust the feed plate to the proper position. Check if terminal strips pass through unobstructed. This position works perfectly. Lock all bottom screws once. The position is confirmed. The whole precision OTP horizontal feed terminal die assembly is complete. Now mount the die onto the terminal crimping machine. Secure the die with the locking. Pin and press the pin down to lock. Test the crimp quality after full installation. Display finished crimp terminals and wire harness samples.